To make your very own natural insecticide, you need very simple, non-toxic ingredients, herbs, and essential oils. Depending on the plant invader, we have for you not just 1 but 10 homemade recipes for natural insecticides, depending on their use. Let's get to them. 1. Insecticide with soap for garden pests. To tackle garden pests like greenhouse slugs, plant fleas, and lice, dissolve a spoonful of grated natural soap in 2.5 liters of water. Pour this mixture into a garden sprayer and apply it to affected plants weekly and after rain. For slugs, place half an orange peel on the ground, convex side up, to lure them away from your plants. 2. Natural insecticide with garlic and pepper. Garlic and black pepper are potent natural insecticides. Crush 1 head of garlic and 8 hot peppercorns, then blend with 5 cups of water. Let it macerate overnight, strain, and add a drop of natural shampoo. Shake well and spray affected plants twice a week and after rain. Store in the refrigerator for up to a month. 3. Herbal insecticide recipe. Create a herbal insecticide using a tablespoon of chopped wild chamomile, a teaspoon each of chopped green onions and common rue, and 125 milliliters of boiling water. Pour the water over the herbs, cover, and let cool. Strain, add 2 to 3 drops of natural shampoo, and spray on plants to repel insects that feast on them. 4. Tobacco leaf insecticide recipe for plant fleas, dwarf spiders, snails, and whiteworms. Use tobacco leaf maturation. Place 2 handfuls of tobacco leaves in 10 liters of water for gardens or 5 liters for balconies. Let it macerate until the water resembles green tea. Strain and spray on affected plants to keep these pests at bay. 5. Tomato leaves insecticide. Tomato leaves contain alkaloids, toxic to garden insects. Use 100 grams of chopped tomato leaves soaked in 125 milliliters of water overnight. Strain through cheesecloth. Add half a teaspoon of gentle natural shampoo and shake well. Spray this mixture on affected plants to naturally deter harmful insects. 6. Natural insecticide for ants. Lavender and spearmint plants repel ants, as do peppermint and lemon essential oils. Place a few drops of these oils on a cotton pad where ants are present, renewing every 2 days. Alternatively, mix 50 grams each of ground pepper and grated garlic with 60 grams of ground dry dill, and spread around affected plant stems. 7. Natural insecticide for cabbage worms. To combat cabbage, cauliflower, and broccoli butterflies, use 80 grams of chopped fresh tansy flowers boiled in 5 cups of water. Let it cool, strain, and add 2-3 drops of natural shampoo. Shake well and spray on vegetables to protect them from these pests. 8. Natural insecticide for plant lice. A strong wormwood infusion acts as a natural insecticide against plant lice. Use 100 grams of freshly chopped wormwood with 125 milliliters of boiling water. Cover and cool, then strain and add half a teaspoon of gentle natural shampoo. Shake well and spray on plants to ward off fleas. 9. Natural insecticide for caterpillars and fleas. Rid your garden of caterpillars with homemade soapy water using 100% natural soap such as Dr. Bronner's. Repeat until pests are gone. Garlic water is effective against plant fleas, and they dislike parsley's scent, making it ideal to plant near rose bushes. 10. All-purpose natural insecticide with essential oils. Essential oils like thyme, sage, and lavender are effective against various pests. Mix 3 drops each of thyme and sage oils, 5 drops of lavender oil, 1 teaspoon of vodka, and 250 milliliters of water. Pour into a spray bottle and apply to affected plants thoroughly. Birds can be natural allies in pest control. Did you know that some birds are amazing helpers in removing garden invaders and pests? Attract insectivorous birds with a mix of millet and black sunflower seeds, and provide a freshwater source nearby. This will draw insectivorous birds like goldcrests, European robins, and jays, helping to keep your garden pest-free. Why make your own natural insecticide? It's safe, non-toxic, and very cheap to make. Read the full article with detailed instructions in the description box below. If you've enjoyed learning how to make natural insecticide at home, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.